Me and my dad have the same relationship as me and my local dairy owner. Like, he's watched me grow up, but it gets awkward after, how's your day going? He's not one for talking, my old man. One thing my dad will do is if it gets too deep or too emotional, he'll just stay silent long enough so that it's not weird when he gets up and leaves. And he'll just go, fuck. And then I'll just hear him trying to start the lawnmower up, just ripping into that lawnmower. My mum's come out before and been like, why is your dad mowing the lawns at 11 o'clock at night? And I had to tell her, oh, it's because I told him I love him. And my mum was like, oh, you should ask him if he loves you. He might finish building the deck. Tell him you've been thinking about your sexuality, son. He might build us a pizza oven.